Hey, thanks for tuning in and welcome to Keep On Dancin', the show that celebrates the rhythm, creativity, and talent right here in our community. Each week we shine a spotlight on local dance studios, instructors, artistic directors, and theater programs that bring the performing arts to life. We'll learn about their passions, their programs, and what makes their space a special place to grow and perform. Whether you're a parent looking for just that right dance class for your little one, a dancer yourself, an aspiring actor, or someone who simply loves the art of movement, you're in the right place. From hip-hop to ballet, ballroom to line dancing, plus a taste of singing and acting, we cover it all. This program is sponsored by Dancingly Yours, your local source for leotards, tights, shoes, and more. Dressing dancers for 36 years, located on Route 10 in Plainville. They help keep our community moving so you can keep on dancing.